Outlook. Okay, now select from A to J and give a formatting. So right click, format cell, go to fill, then fill effect. Here we will select a color and here a light color. Then select this one and OK. So we got this. Now here we will change the font, then size and color. Go to home. We will select the font freehand. Okay, this one, and here let's take it 55. Okay, then color as this one, or you can make it as of your choice and increase this column width. Okay, and now here we will create these headings: subject, CC, BCC, email message and footer. So subject, CC, BCC, email message, footer. Okay, and we will also create these fields. So go here, select up to this. Okay, then home, then select merge across, and now we will do formatting. So before that we will also format this sheet up to 30 and go to home and select this one. Okay, now select this all and go to more borders and select a color, bright color, this one, and outline, and in the middle we'll use this one, and here we'll use this one. Okay, and for these cells we'll make it white or no color. Okay, now here we will create a margin, and now here we will create the headings for this one: customer details, then customer name, email address, due amount, receipt amount, all this. So let's do it. First select this one and merge it and type here customer details. Okay, now here customer name, then email address, then let's see, due amount, receipt amount. Okay, due amount, then receipt amount, receipt date, then final due, final message, and here should be sent. Okay, now we will create the alternated row colors here, and we'll also give a thick border for all this table. So select here up to 29 and let's give it a thick border. Go to more border, select this font, this one, outline. Okay, and for this we'll use again more border, thin, then we'll use here this one, there and here. Okay, so it's done. And here we will give a formatting. So right click, format cell, fill effect. So here we will use this color and this one. Okay, we change this color, select this one. Okay, and for this we'll use this color. Okay, this one. Now for rest of this we'll use conditional formatting. So go to home, conditional formatting and new rule. Use a formula to determine which cell to format. So here we will use the formula to determine how to use the altered row color. So first and here we will use two conditions, that is this cell and log the column only, not equal to blank comma. This is the first condition, and second condition is odd bracket open, then row bracket open bracket close. So this is row 10, so this is not odd, so the final result will be here false. So bracket close for is odd and bracket close for and in formatting we'll give fill color this one and border outline this one. Okay, sorry, we'll not use this one and this one, just okay, select a color, this one, okay and okay. So we are not getting any formatting because we have no values here. So when we enter values we will get this. So we have to give another for is even, for the even rows. So go to home, conditional formatting, manage rule. Here we will select this formula, copy, new rule, select here and paste it, and here instead of odd we'll use even. So here we will use only border. So select the color, this one, top and bottom. Okay, and okay here. So when we enter the name of the customer, that is Manoj Saha, you can see we got the border. Email address manoj@gmail.com, due amount 500, receipt amount is 200 and receipt date is 5th December 2021. Final date equal to due amount minus receipt amount. So we got 300, and later we will do the final message. Now here we will add 4 more values here. So we will just copy it from first sheet, copy it up to here, okay, and right click, paste as values. Okay, so we have done this. Now we will drag this here. Okay, done. So 300, here all the values are same, so we can change this 600, 1000, 300 and 700, here 500, 300, 300. Okay, now here in the subject we will write bill confirmation letter. You can write here any subject as you need. Then CC, if you want you can use the CC or you may not. So type here any address, suppose cc@gmail.com, and here in the bcc@gmail.com, and then email message. So here we can do it different way. So first, in the email message we will give the main message here, like we have received your payment space hash receipt amount. So this value will be replaced by this value for each customer. Now here space against due amount hash, then due amount hash space on hash receipt date hash space, or you can comma final due amount is hash final due hash full stop. So this is our message. Now here we can use the footer. So type here first percentage, then 0, then a. So this will create a new paragraph. So we will use 2 times a, then we'll use with regards, then again percentage 0a, then shopkeeper name. Okay, so this is the footer. Now our final message. So here you will type equal to. So we have to replace this amount with receipt amount. So type here equal to substitute. So text is this one, comma old text. Our old text is hash receipt amount hash. This should be within quotation, comma new value will be this one, bracket close and enter. So you can see here we got the result in this way. Press F9. We have received your payment with 200 against due amount. So these values have not changed. So now we will replace this value. So here we will use another substitute. So this became the old text, comma, sorry, this one is the text, this formula is the text, then old text is hash, here is our due amount. So it should be within quotation, hash due amount hash quotation close, comma this should be value, okay, bracket close. Now if you check, press F9, we have received your payment rupees 200 against the amount rupees 500. Now we have to replace receipt date. So here we have to use another substitute, then this is the text, here comma old text, within quotation hash, then receipt date hash quotation close new. So our new text will be this one. So bracket close and enter. Sorry. So here the problem is, you can see here on 44535 here is no date. So for that reason we have to format this cell value. So type here text F10 comma within quotation dd hyphen mmm hyphen E. So you can use E also instead of Y. If you use E, it will give 4 character here. So here bracket close for substitute and enter. Sorry, here we have to close the quotation, enter. So we have got the date here. You can see, press F9 on 5th December 2021. Now final amount is final due. So here again substitute, go to end, comma. Old text is within quotation hash final due. Then quotation close, comma. New value will be this one. Then bracket close, enter. So we have got this value, final message. This is the final message. So we have got here the hash because here we have not used the hash. Okay, now it is perfect. But if you want to place the currency before this amount, then also you can use. So for that we have to use here rupees, or you can use dollar or anything. Rupees, this is the date, final due is this one. Okay, and here you can see we have received your payment rupees 200. Now this cell value is going to right. So to avoid this, you can select this and right click, format cell, go to alignment. In the horizontal you can use the fill, or because here is the value, you can use the right justify also, right indent also. If you use this, then value goes this side, so it cannot be shown. But if there is no value, then it is shown. So for that reason we can use, sorry, we may use this way, fill. Okay, in this way also it does not overflow from the cell. So now you can drag this, but here we do not need this. So here we have some problems. This cell must be fixed. So our first cell, let's see, first substitute is this one. So this cell should be fixed. F4 and enter. Now drag this. Okay, but here also this value has been generated, but there is no customer name. So for that we can use here if this cell equal to blank, then blank, else this value. Then here bracket close and enter. Now drag this and enter. Now hi Manoj Saha. But in this way your message will be shown in different way. That is, it will be in a single line, but we need hi Manoj is one line, and then we need in this next paragraph we need this message. So we will change this, but we will change this later so that you can understand in better way. So now here we will put the email sending link. So how to do that? So for that we will use the hyperlink function. So type here equal to hyperlink. Then within quotation type mail to, then colon, quotation close. Now we need the email address. So type here and select this cell. Now again and. So after the first email address, that is to, we have to put a question mark. So start the quotation, question mark. Then you can use CC, BCC or subject or body, anything. So first we'll use subject. So type here and subject. Sorry, here we do not need to use and. Subject equal to quotation close, and so this is the subject. Press F4 to lock this, and next we will use CC. So within quotation and CC equal to quotation close, and then we'll use this CC cell, then again press and, then within quotation and BCC equal to quotation close. This is the BCC, sorry, BCC here, and this cell, then and again within quotation and. So we have to remember that we have to place and before CC BCC subject. For the first time only subject after question mark, you don't need to use the and, but for all the case we have to use and before any field, that is CC BCC subject anything. So and here we will use body. So body equal to quotation close, and so our body will be this one, then comma, friendly name, you can type anything. We can type here send email. So within quotation send, just send, then quotation close, bracket close, and enter. So we got send here. So make it center alignment. Okay, so here is the link. Now if I drag down, so here we got error. So we are getting this error because the character limit exceeds. The character limit of a cell is 255 character. This limit is exceeded, that's why this is getting error. If I reduce this, suppose here if I change the name, suppose here das, or delete this, let's see, delete this. Okay, then also we are not getting. Okay, so there may be some other problem. Okay, let's check it. So here we will remove the BCC. Okay, we removed the BCC. Okay, now enter, drag down. Okay, it is now working well, but still in this case we are getting error here. Remove one value, or let's see, here we have some problem. So basically this problem is it exceeds the character limit, that is why we are getting the problem. So this is one of the problem for this type of similar for this type of email sender, that is with the help of hyperlink, or we can change the message. So we have received your payment amount against the amount. So we will delete this final one, we will delete. Okay, now enter, then also you are getting error. Okay, here we have to do one thing. Let's see, here our this is subject is fixed, and here CC should be fixed, and body, our body is this value. So this is H10. Okay, this should not be, and else this function. Go to end, sorry, go to end here, bracket close for if, and enter and drag down. So now it's okay, we have created this. Now click on send. So we got the email, but here you can see, hi Manoj Saha, we have received. So all these are in a single line. So we have to break this in this way.